Hey everyone there on YouTube, this is Sam. It is January 6th, I believe, Saturday, around 2 o'clock, or 1 o'clock, I don't even remember, but today we're doing an old cold start. It is at least, let's see, we'll go over to the fancy thermometer over here. Just above 20. That's pretty cold, and there's a wind chill, so it's colder than that, technically, because there might be, water on the, like that ain't ice yet, but it's still cold. I'm freezing, and I got my big heavy winter coat on, but anywho, enough of that bullshit. Right now, we've got, my battery's dead, because I think this battery over there is junk. Got the battery charger hooked up. Charging my Jeep. Been trying to do an cold start. It's been a few months since I've started it, so as you saw, it's freaking cold. Okay. Got the keys here. Okay, we got something. See if it'll start. Oh no. Damn it, I think the solenoid's stuck. Well, that shouldn't be happening because it's a brand new starter. That's weird. Unless, did I? Ah, I did unhook it. Damn it. That wire right there goes down to the starter solenoid, so, okay, well, we'll try this. Fix that one up there. We'll hook you up over here. And you up right there. Come on. We'll hook this one up over me. Maybe. See if that does anything. I'm gonna hook this stupid wire back up because I don't want to stand out here doing it. Oopsie. Damn it. Man, my damn truck's parked. I can't get over here right. Not sure if you can even see what I'm doing. Honking their horn. Yeah, where the hell is it? There it is. Sorry you can't see what I'm seeing, but it's a pain in the ass to hook this fucker up. Got it! Okay, bro, that was cold. Okay, let's try it from the key again. Let's try jump start. That ought to give me some amps. Oh, the battery charger died. Well, I'll leave it. We'll leave it like that for a minute, and I'll turn the battery charger down. And what else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'll see if we got my carb cleaner or brake clean, and I'll see if I can't get it to fire up. Because when them batteries are dead, I don't like to start. Because I really don't want to dig out the big battery charger because it's got a bunch of shit hooked up to it right now. Paint, oil, tranny fluid. I don't think we have any brake clean or even starter fluid. Well, yeah, maybe that battery charging up will do good enough. It usually does. I knew I shouldn't have swapped out my old batteries. Brr. Okay, hang on. I'm going to try another battery. I'll stop this video. And we'll go for try number 2. Alright, I'm back again there, YouTube. I was having some problems with my camera. I had to warm it up in front of the space heater, so it didn't want to... It's technically a picture camera, so it's got one of the lenses that sucks itself back into the camera. But anywho, I've got another battery. AutoZone Duralast, so this one's like practically brand new. So I'll just leave that shit alone. It's on 10 amp charge, and if that don't work real quick, I'll jump out quick and shove it to a 60 amp start. So hopefully we'll have something happen. I swear I'm forgetting something. Oh, I remember now. Before I forget, I need to do something. I had a problem last time I had this pig running. My thermostat housing sprung a leak, so I'm going to prevent it from building pressure and hopefully leaking out all my coolant. So this is going to be an old start, cold start. It's been... Fuck, I think we moved it up in the driveway in November, so that's November, December... Or was it October? It was October or November, somewhere in there, I can't remember. But, anywho, old start, cold start. It's like 20 degrees out with like a 0-degree wind chill. It's really cold out today. I'm really cold myself, but, anywho, let's see what's happening. Got under 14 volts. Sweet! All that work! It's finally started. Whew, I can smell that coolant. Definitely tell she's running, Rich. I'll idle here for a minute or two and I'll... Oh yeah, check out that frosty battery. I think she's a little froze. Yeah, I got a leak. So I'm probably going to shut it off now so it don't leak anymore. Coolant's expensive, so... There you go, old start, cold start, 89 Jeep Cherokee, Laredo, 4.0 liter, straight 6. Maybe next time I thought I heard something, sorry. Maybe next time I'll see if my dad will let me start up his old Chevy. Maybe, we'll see. Anywho, peace out, YouTube.